Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable scroll snapping in CSS for smoother UX step by step clearly. To disable scroll snapping in CSS, start by identifying the container where scrolling occurs. Open your CSS file or style section within your HTML document. Locate the class or ID of the container that contains the scrolling content. Add the property scroll snap type to that container. Set its value to none. This looks like scroll snap type none. Next, if your scrolling elements also have scroll snapping properties, locate those as well. For each scrolling element, set the property scroll snap align. Again, assign its value to none. This ensures that individual elements will not enforce any snapping behavior. Make sure to test your changes by refreshing the page in your browser. Scroll in the designated area to confirm that snapping has been disabled. You should notice a smoother scrolling experience without any interruptions. If you still experience unexpected behavior, double-check any additional CSS rules. Consider using browser developer tools to inspect the elements and styles. You may need to adjust other CSS properties that influence scrolling behavior. With these steps, you've successfully disabled scroll snapping in your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.